Anyway, for this week, we're going to do a little bit of a hobby update. So, as you can see here, I finished the first 5 of my Hellblasters with their wonderful pink plasma, of course. So, very happy with these guys. Now, these guys aren't really hard to paint. They're just kind of tedious between the layering and all the line highlighting. But yeah, so that is the first 5 Hellblasters. Still got 5 more to go. I've also started on the Primaris Ancient. Got the base colors on him. And that won't take very long. One model usually doesn't take very long. But the main thing I want to think about is this thing again. The Eluded Land Raider. And I finally decided what I'm going to do with this thing. So, the first thing, I was trying to figure out what I was going to do with it. I was reading all your comments, some great suggestions from last week. But I measured it, and it turns out to be almost the exact same size as listed on the WA forums as a kill tank. So that's probably, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if that's what the previous owner was going after, was a kill tank, because it just happens to be the almost exact right length to be a kill tank. So that's what we're going to do. So what we're going to do is, I haven't decided, it's going to have a Super Scorcher, of course. So there's going to be, basically what I'm going to do is cut out the front here. I'm going to have a scratch build a big flamer sticking out the front here. And then in the back, we're going to pull off this ramp and put an engine there of some kind. I don't know exactly what to do for that yet, but if I'm just, because I haven't actually scratch built an engine like that before, so I might have to come up with something. So yeah, so an engine back here, even if it's just a box with some exhaust pipe sticking out and some rivets on it, you know, engines really aren't much more than oddly shaped boxes when you get right down to it. So yeah, so it's going to be an engine in the back, it's going to be a big flamer out the front, and then maybe some sponsons, or if it might just have, I just might leave it with the Super Scorcher in and of itself. This thing will be fine right here. I can just leave this like that. So that way, I don't want it any taller than this. That's why I don't want the don't want to put anything the flamer on top, because it'd be too big. But I'll just have it sticking out the front, kind of like a demolisher type thing. So yeah, so this will become a kill tank, and I think it'll be absolutely perfect for that. And then I have to figure out these holes, figure out what to do with the holes that are in it. Yeah, I'm not quite sure all those kind of little details, but I do know that I found some Scorches scratch builds online. So for some good inspiration, so I know what to do to build it. But yeah, so that's the plan. I don't know when I'm going to do this exactly, but because I do want to finish that Primaris Ancient, and then I'm going to paint the SDKFZ truck. Next, that's my next painting project after the Ancient. The Ancient won't take very long. Then I'll do the truck, and hopefully I will get a pure Evil Sunz battle report in by the end of the month. And then next week, this upcoming week, I will probably be playing Dread Mob if I can find the time to get the models out instead of the Air Force. Kind of revisiting all the lists, because at the end of last month I played the Storm Boy spam, and then I moved to the Air Force. I think I'll play Dread Mob this week, and then as soon as I get the truck done, I will play the pure Evil Sunz army. My first game with that. It'll be bad and I'll lose horribly, but it'll look good on the table, and sometimes that's more important than winning. It's just looking good, right? So yeah, so that's what we're at. It's gonna be a real short video this week. So I got this thing coming up. I got the truck coming up. I'll get that done, and also on the 27th of September will be my channel's 10th birthday, and I'm planning on something special for that. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.